In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Calendar reminders pop up. If you've ever missed a meeting because the alert quietly sat in your email or notification center, this will make your reminders show up as clear, on-screen banners right when you need them. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed into the account you use for your events and reminders. Once Calendar loads, look to the top right corner of the page and find the small gear icon. That's the settings icon. Click it to open a quick menu, and then select Settings to go to the full settings page. On the left side, you'll see a list of sections. Click Notification Settings. This is where you control how Calendar notifies you for things like events, all-day reminders, and tasks. In the main panel, find the Notifications section that includes a drop-down for how alerts are delivered. Click that drop-down to see the available options. Choose Desktop Notifications. With this option enabled, Google Calendar will use your browser to display pop-up notifications on your computer, even if you're working in a different tab. These alerts are designed to be visible and timely so you can quickly snooze or view the event without hunting through emails. If your browser asks for permission to show notifications, be sure to allow it. That confirmation lets Calendar actually display those pop-ups on your screen. Once you've switched to desktop notifications, you're set. Going forward, when a reminder or event is due, you'll see a small banner pop up near the edge of your screen. This change applies to your Calendar experience in this browser, so it's a good idea to make the same selection in any other browser you use frequently. A few quick notes to make this work smoothly. Keep your browser open and signed into the correct Google account. The notifications come from the Calendar tab. If you don't see pop-ups, your operating system's Do Not Disturb or Focus settings may be muting them, and some browsers can block notifications by default until you grant access. Also, the timing of alerts still depends on each event's notification settings, so if you prefer a reminder 10 or 30 minutes ahead, set that on the event itself. That's it. By switching to desktop notifications in Google Calendar settings, your reminders will now pop up clearly on your screen, helping you stay on time without constantly checking your inbox or calendar.